Hey, it's me, that I am Nicky Clements guy, and I am on my way to work because I am essential, barely. But I do appreciate the niche situation I'm in where I get to continue to go to my office, and that my office is populated with a very small number of people, and it's a large building, so I'm pretty much all alone at my desk. I have to travel quite far to see another human. So it's a pretty safe place to be. So I definitely appreciate that I still get to do that and get a paycheck. That's just one less thing I have to worry about. Because while you probably clicked the skip ad button to watch this video, yes, the channel has gotten monetized, it's gonna be quite a long time before I ever see an actual paycheck from Google. So I definitely still rely on my day job to, live. So really not all that much has changed for me. I still get up every weekday and go to work, so I'm not, trapped at home like a lot of people are. And I never went out that much to begin with, so my time at home is pretty much the same right now. However, I do still feel that weird lack of creativity and that kind of loss of time where it's like I should be doing something right now, Just kind of the stress of the whole situation. Definitely eating a lot more home-cooked meals. We really aren't going out or, going to get takeout nearly as much. Really been enjoying grilled cheese lately. Grilled cheese with some lunch meat on it. I have a little bit of a life hack for how I make it, so maybe I'll share that. I was able to see my family on Sunday for Easter. My brother organized a Zoom chat, and pretty much everyone was able to join in. I had a lot of fun just being extra and changing my background a bunch of times. But it was good to see everybody. And it's kind of a testament to the technology that everyone was able to figure it out and join in on the call. But as far as today, if you watch my live stream, I talked about wanting to open the SANDSCRIPT thing and just see what the mechanism is. So actually I did that, and it's actually pretty cool. So why don't we look at that? On this episode of What's Inside. That's actually one channel I don't really follow. I only watched a few episodes a long time ago, and I don't know, it wasn't for me. I appreciate what they're doing, but I didn't like that they weren't really taking care to do perfectly bifurcated cuts on stuff, so I don't know. Anyway. Okay, so I'm really curious as to what the mechanism inside here looks like. I was saying it's like an XY plotter, so I'm assuming maybe there's one rod here with a magnet that can move along the rod this way, and then it's on a circular gear. So that's my guess. Oh, nope, I was totally off. Okay. That's very interesting. So this dial here makes this turn faster. This dial controls the speed of this one, and the center one. Oh. That's really interesting. Okay, so what is the actual magnet? So is it a ball, or is it? It is? No, it's okay. So it's just a regular magnet. And they just have some really slippery plastic so it's not scratching the top. Okay. That is really simple construction. Other than this part having to... Why does that have to? Why does this need to have wires on it? Oh, of course. Because how else would you power the two motors on the other side? Very, very interesting. It's literally as simple as it needs to be. That's pretty cool. That's almost more mesmerizing just watching those go around. So I don't really think there is much I could do to increase the power of the magnet there. I mean, maybe slightly. So if I just add a disc magnet on, okay, like that, what does that do? Doesn't add much sound. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. Just kind of a vlog more than anything, but also a look at that mechanism, which I think's really cool. They achieved a lot with very little. That's something I loved to do as a kid, was taking things apart. Although I was never very good at putting them back together, which I'm a little bit better at now. But I think there's a lot of potential in that mechanism, so I'm sure I'll keep playing with it, just finding other things to do with it. Anyway, my sincere thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.